Today I'm back showing you my results from 30 days of trading meme coins with the new AI sniper from Autosnipe. This is an update to the 7 days video I did recently. I'm going to be showing you the settings that I used for my bot. If you do like what you see and you want to sign up to Autosnipe, you can do so using my link in the description or the pinned comment below. That'll get you 10% off your trading fees forever. Here we are on Autosnipe. These are my results here. I'm currently up 21.861%, which is not a bad result for 30 days. I changed a couple of the settings since last time, so I'm going to show you how to create the bot first, and I'm going to show you the settings that I changed. First, you want to make sure your wallet's connected, then you want to go to the AI sniper page and click create sniper. First of all, you need to give it a name. I'm just going to call it Wings. Next, we choose the coin pair platform. By default, it's set to Raydium. They have just recently added the pump.fun option. For this bot, though, I just used Raydium. And in the migrated from tab, I had all of these selected. I will probably do a video in future trying out the pump.fun option. But for now, the next thing we need to do is choose our listing type. I personally had this set to top 24 hour. The minimum liquidity set at 200 sol. For rank, I set it to the top 500. LP burn percentage, how much of the liquidity you want to be burned, left that on 99%. Holding percent for the top 10, I changed to 30%. Now for the sniper security checks, I personally left all of them on. I know some people have been having some success with having these two unchecked. I haven't personally tried it myself. You can try it if you want, it's your money. Then we just want to click continue. Now that brings us to the sniper activation page. You can double check all the details you just set over on the left here. Then over on the right we can choose all our activation settings, starting with the total sol to invest. I just set mine to 5 sol. Now the buy amount per order, although you technically can use a minimum of 0.01 sol. If you do that, then you would need a really high percentage of profit to cancel out the fees that you're paying, especially if you're setting multiple take profit targets, since you're paying fees for every transaction. If you are trading with a lower amount like that, you might be better off only using one take profit zone at a higher percentage. I've personally found that a buy amount of 0.1 sol per order is the minimum that seems to be profitable for me. Anyway, moving on to the stop loss trigger. I've seen a lot of different opinions about this. Some people, like me in my last video about this, said that it is better to have a tight stop loss and lose on slightly more trades, but you're not losing as much, so you don't need as much of a win to cancel out your losses. On the other end of the scale, what some people like to do is set no stop loss at all, but then they also set a higher take profit target, like 2000% or something, so even though they might lose and get rugged on some trades, if they do make 2000% on one trade, then that immediately cancels out 20 other trades where they might have lost 99%. So really, it's up to you what you want to do with it. Priority fees, I left these on AI optimized. You can change that to whatever you like depending on how fast you want your transaction going through and how much fees you are willing to pay for that. Alright, now one of the most important things here, the exit/sell strategy. What I'm going to do is clear all of this for now. Most recently, what I've been doing is I have been selling 50% of my holdings at a 200% profit, and then I leave the other 50% and I tell it to sell that at a 2000% profit. And of course, you don't need to use my settings. I'm not even in any way recommending these settings to you. I and everyone else is still experimenting a lot with this bot to see what works best. But for now, let's click the activate now button. There we go, now we're up and running. You can double check all the details. Link in the description or the pinned comment for 10% off your trading fees. I've been me. You've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.